Hello, I am Dr. Navjot. I am a consultant plastic surgeon at Sohana Hospital, Mohali. Today I am here to tell you about cosmetic surgeries which we are doing at Sohana Hospital. Starting with the hair, if you are growing bald, we are doing hair transplantation for that. We have other non-surgical procedures also like PRP, or we give medical treatment also for the hair loss. Then coming on to the nose, which we call rhinoplasty, or in common language we call it nose reshaping. So any problem in the nose which you feel you have since birth, or you had some kind of accident in the past, we can again reshape your nose. Then coming on to other parts of the face, if you have wrinkles, we give you Botox, fillers for the improvement of the wrinkles. Otherwise, there are some congenital marks on the face also. We try to lighten those marks with laser, with other surgical procedures also. Then there are burn scars also on the face. So we give you scar revisions, we give you other surgical procedures, we can apply new skin on it. So it gives you it brings back to your normal. And coming on to other parts of the body, we have breast. Breast mein we do reduction and augmentation both. Reduction mein there is a procedure called reduction mammoplasty, in which the size is significantly reduced to normal. Then there is augmentation, in which we try to put implants in your breast if you have a feeling that you have a smaller breast. Then coming out to gynecomastia, इसको हम दूसरी लैंग्वेज में मेल boobs कहते हैं. We try to reduce it with liposuction. Other procedures is liposuction means taking out excess fat from any part of your body. That can be tummy also, that can be chest also, that can be arms also. Then there is tummy tuck. Tummy tuck is again reshaping of your tummy. Then there is a thigh plasty, that means reshaping of your thighs. Arm lift, face lift is there. So another thing is with age there are eyelid bags. We do blepharoplasty for that. जब एज के साथ आपके आइज़ के नीचे पफीनेस हो जाती है, so for that we do blepharoplasty. It improves the shape of your eyelids. This is what we are doing in cosmetology. There are many other procedures we do. That's the brief about it. There is a myth about plastic surgery that it is only meant for economically sound people. We are doing it here at very nominal rates. You visit us anytime. We are available for you 24/7. You can consult us. You can come to the hospital. You can meet me. My name is Dr. Navjot, consultant plastic surgeon at Sohana Hospital, Mohali. Thank you.
Sohana Hospital, a multi-super speciality hospital, Sector 77, Mohali.